How to check Spotify hours listened. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Spotify application. But remember, there is no direct built in feature in Spotify currently that will give you an option of checking Spotify hours listened. But you can still try and then search for Wrapped, and then your music Wrapped will appear. But if not, what you will have to do is simply go to settings, your device settings, then find your screen time, go to digital well-being and parental control. After that, go to screen time, and then from here you will be able to find your applications. Select all your application, and then if you have used it for enough amount of time, you will be able to find Spotify as well, and the amount of time you have spent on Spotify. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.